Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Okay, so, siguro naman nakikita nyo na sa title kung tungkol saan tong video na to. Yes, finally, na-reach na natin yung 10,000 subscribers mark. But, bago natin pag-usapan yung tungkol dito, and I have a special announcement then. Hindi naman siya big deal, pero may kinalaman siya sa sa 10,000 Chorba Choo Choo. But before that, I want to talk to you guys in full glam to celebrate this special moment of my YouTube career. I want to do a makeup look that really represents my YouTube channel and represents my personality and all that. And, to basically just celebrate reaching 10,000 mark. Super baby step pa lang siya compared sa, other YouTuber. Pero it's, a big deal for me. For someone like me na technically hindi ako starting YouTuber because I created my channel years back. Pero last year lang talaga ako parang naging super duper active. And anyway, mamaya natin pag-usapan yun. So I'm going to create a makeup look that celebrates this special moment of my life. I will make it as fast as possible. So let's jump right into it. So I'm going to do my eyebrows first, and I'm going to use this one from JCAT Beauty. This is the BROWLYST Style Your Brow Gel Set. Long-lasting, waterproof, and smudge-proof. And you guys, I've been loving this because legit smudge-proof and waterproof siya, and very definitely very long-lasting. For today, I'm going to use my JCAT Beauty Santa Monica palette, and it's so freaking dirty kasi, guys, legit, halos araw-araw kong ginagamit to. Seryoso, dala ko siya sa office. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. Hindi nila ako binayaran para sabihin to or gawin to, pero I swear, sulit na sulit to sa akin. Kasi ang dami-dami kong looks na pwedeng gawin. And ang price ito ay nasa 1,199 or 1,200 if I'm not mistaken. I got it for free though, pero I swear, legit, I love this eyeshadow palette. I love the eyeshadows in general in JCAT Beauty. Guys, so this is where the fun part begins. So, meron akong combination ng mauve pink and violet and a little bit of black dito sa gilid. And now, I am going to take this shiny shimmering green color, just a little bit, and then ilalagay ko siya over here sa inner corners hanggang sa middle. Slowly but surely. Kasi I just needed a green base, and then just blend the outer edges ng green. tapos sa eyes natin. Hindi pa ito ang final look.
Minsan ako mag, extra dun sa makeup look. So, ito todo ka na.
Next thing I'm going to do is get this JCAT Beauty PRIS-METAL Chrome Eye Mousse. And this is in the shade Dreamer. I love these, you guys. Kung gusto mo talagang gawing pack na pack yung eye makeup mo. So you can use this on its own or you can put it on top. Dab its inner corners. And then, next thing I'm going to do is get this one right here. This is the JCAT Beauty Holographic 3D eye topper, and I've used this before sa inner corners, pero ngayon I'm gonna give it an extra spot sa eyeshadow ko. Ilalagay ko siya dito sa gitna para ma-umf ulit. Para ma-umf yung ating eye look, and gagamitin ko to in full capacity. I mean, okay, not so much in full capacity because, good lord, look at that. I am back. I know I look crazy, I know I look like a drag queen, or I could probably look like a crazy person, but guess what? I don't care. So this is the look, the aura and everything that I've been aiming para i-celebrate yung pag-hit ko ng 10,000 marks sa YouTube. So it happened around December 27 or 28 if I'm not mistaken. It was probably around 10,023 subscribers. So right now, as I film this video, meron na akong 10,269 subscribers. Oh my heart. So ginawa ko tong video to like formally and directly thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Sabi ko nga sa mga friends ko, oh my god, 10,000 na ang naniniwala sa kaartehan ko. So thank you so much, guys. And you guys are the reason why I went back to YouTube and, you know, start exerting energy and effort and everything. I created my YouTube channel siguro mga 6 or 7 years ago, and then for about a year, as in once in a blue moon lang ako mag-upload, and then I stopped for a couple of years, and alam mo yun, nag-boom paulan talaga ako ng upload last year. So this look represents my 2017 sa YouTube. Bold, crazy, but you know, colorful and glittery because I've experienced a lot of things. I attended different events. I met a lot of YouTubers who, you know, share the same passion as I do, and I met subscribers. And it was, 2017 was just really crazy. And you know, sa personal life ko din, ang dami ko rin ginawa na crazy, but you know, really made me happy. So to continuously celebrate, so you guys, ito yung special announcement. Starting in this video, starting today sa video na to, and then sa mga susunod na video na i-upload ko for the rest of January, lahat yon may giveaway. yes, I'll be giving away anything I could give away. Syempre mga beauty-related products. So, umpisa natin ngayon. I'll be giving away Simply G or Simply Gorgeous shampoo and conditioner, you guys. Simply G are like my favorite shampoo and conditioner. Na-experience ko to last quarter of 2017 and I've been using it non-stop. Hindi ito yung ipapamigay ko, okay? Actually, nagpadala yung Simply G na mga, I think, 4 bags ng ganito. Dalawa doon was supposed to be for my personal use, for me to try the product and everything. And then, yung dalawa pa was for the giveaway. But, I'm so sorry, Simply G. I used all of it because I loved it. I love the shampoo and conditioner because etong isang to, 6 pesos lang to. But, para sa akin, nagamit ko to mga 3 days. I don't know, yung conditioner 2 days, yung shampoo 6 pesos din if I'm not mistaken, pero nagagamit ko to ng 3 days. So super sulit talaga yung mga sachet. And talagang naging healthy and easy to manage talaga yung hair ko ng bongga-bongga. I'm not gonna talk so much about it kasi I'll be doing a favorites video. So doon na lang ako dadaldal ng bongga, no? But like I said, I'll be giving away shampoo and conditioner, pero yung malaking bottle. So wala pa siya sa akin ngayon. Nagpabili na ako, pero I'm too excited to do this video. Hindi ko na naantay yung shampoo and conditioner in the bottle. I'll be inserting a photo right now. So, ganun yung itsura ng bottle and ganun din yung ipapamigay ko. Pero I'll be giving away 2 bottles of shampoo and 2 bottles of conditioner sa isang winner lang. Yes. Guys, ang mechanics ay, all you have to do is follow me sa Instagram. Follow Simply G sa Instagram. And then, sa Instagram photo na ipopost ko using this look, or actually, feeling ko mga 10 beses ko ipopost yung picture na to. Basta sa photo na makita nyo with this look, comment nyo doon, Miss Bea, join ako, ganyan. Basta mag-comment lang kayo. And then sa comment section ng video na to, mag-comment kayo ng Instagram name nyo para makita ko kayo sa Instagram. So again, follow me. Follow Simply G on my Instagram photo. Mag-comment na kayo na you joined. And then sa YouTube video, comment down below your Instagram name so I can find you. So this giveaway will run for 1 week. You guys have 1 week to join. And then after 1 week, I'll be picking a winner. I-announce ko sa Instagram ko. So yeah, I guess that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. And to my subscribers, thank you so much. Really, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you're new to my channel and first time mo ako napanood, subscribe ka na rin, bes. Hindi ka magsisisi, bes. So again, thank you so much. Really, guys. Don't forget to join my giveaway and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye!